What if you could transform your entire software architecture simply by having a conversation with an AI? Today, I'll show you exactly that. We have a working prototype called Enterprise Architect Brain. It's an AI-powered platform for generating architecture diagrams. But here's the challenge. How do we turn this prototype into a production-ready, cloud-native SaaS product? Traditionally, this would take weeks. An architect would manually analyze the current system, compare it against best practices like the 12-factor app methodology, identify gaps, and create a migration plan, document by document, diagram by diagram. But watch what happens when we take a consultative approach. I simply describe what I need in plain English. Create a new project for SaaS transformation. Analyze our existing architecture. Compare it against the 12-factor methodology. Generate a compliance assessment and a migration roadmap. Behind the scenes, the AI assistant connects to specialized architecture services through a standardized integration protocol. It understands enterprise architecture concepts. It knows the relationships between components, and it generates professional, standards-compliant diagrams. Here's our first deliverable: a 12-factor compliance assessment. Each factor is represented as a requirement element, following the ArchiMate industry standard. The color coding tells the story. Green means we're compliant. Yellow indicates partial compliance, and red highlights the gaps we need to address. We can immediately see that configuration management, backing services, and logging need work before we're SaaS ready. But this isn't just a static image. Let me show you the source. This is the actual diagram notation, fully editable. I can modify elements, change relationships, and the diagram regenerates in real time. Architecture as code. Now here's the second deliverable, our migration roadmap. It shows the transformation journey through clear phases, from current state, through factor compliance, to multi-tenant readiness, and finally production, SaaS. Each work package has defined deliverables and dependencies. Everything we've created is automatically stored in a temporal knowledge graph. This means we can track how our architecture evolves over time, query relationships between components, and maintain a complete audit trail of architectural decisions. In under 3 minutes, we have a complete transformation plan with professional documentation. This is the consultative approach to enterprise architecture. Not AI replacing architects, but AI amplifying their capabilities. This is the future of enterprise architecture.